All right, let me share with you my 3 favorite things about this spare gas can. So the 3 biggest things I really like about this long haul gasoline tank is the convenience of it. Number 1, the size. This is a smaller one. If you're looking for something small, this is a 1.3 gallon or 5 liters tank. 2 is it comes with this nice bracket in the locking system. And all you simply do is slide the key in, of course, and you're able to lock and unlock to keep it safe. And the third thing I really like is it has this little pressure relieve nozzle on the back. So you could hear it's relieving some of that pressure built up inside there. This gasoline tank can nicely fit in the back of a truck like this. It could fit on an ATV, a motorcycle even. So if you're looking for a small little tank, this one is a great option.